How to clear cache on Facebook. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear Facebook cache on Android to fix lag, improve performance, and make the app run smoother, step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Android tutorials. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on the three dots to open your Facebook profile settings. Then, select Privacy Center. Now, scroll down and tap on Facebook. From there, choose Browser option. Tap on Clear Cookies and Cache, then confirm to remove temporary files and improve Facebook app performance. If you still want another option, you can clear Facebook cache directly from your phone settings. Tap and hold the Facebook app icon, then select App Info. Then tap on Clear Data, then Clear Cache to remove temporary data without deleting your account or messages. And that's it. That's how you can clear cache on Facebook and fix slow performance on Android easily.